Hello there, folks. It's the Crypto Lunatic, and I'm bringing you a little short update. And as with most of my updates, I'm going to encourage you to go and look things up for yourself, to do your own research. But one thing that I am going to bring to your attention, which you probably already know, is that there's a ton of fear out there at the moment. People are saying Bitcoin's going to crash. I'm getting comments that I'll wait till it gets down to 30K and then buy in. Well, maybe, folks, maybe, but it's far more likely that that's not the case. So I'm going to bring you your awareness to a single metric today. So when all of this fear's out there and there's all sorts, and I saw an article with somebody with Larry Fink from BlackRock saying Bitcoin could crash. Now that's a sure sign that it's going to go up. A sure sign, folks, because BlackRock have been buying loads of Bitcoin anyway. So there's a lot of news articles out there to confuse you. There's a lot of influencers out there to confuse you. There's a lot of metrics out there to confuse you, folks, to confuse you. But the people I trust in crypto that I've been following are indicating that there's a lot of signs that indicate that the market could turn. Now, there's also a lot of information out there that prove that it might not. So obviously it's risky, folks. Nobody's psychic. Nobody actually knows. But let me bring you aware of one single metric, which I like to bring people aware of. So here you go, folks. Here it is. You can find this on Crypto Quant. I'm showing you the resources so that you've got the tools to go out and do this research for yourself. So when we go on to Bitcoin, when we go on to summary, now there's lots of smiley faces or red faces with all sorts of things, but here's the most important thing, folks. We go to sentiment and we go to fund premium. And there's high fund ETF buying pressure. Now, people that run the funds and the ETFs, they are professional investors. They've usually got an insight, they usually know what's going on, and the funds are buying up Bitcoin right now, folks. Right now. They know that we're in at a bargain basement price. And yes, Bitcoin could drop down further. It is possible. There's plenty of people that will tell you that, folks, but this is the thing to look at. Look, fund premium, high fund ETF buying pressure. Now, let me ask you this. All of these professional investors, these funds, they would not be buying in if they didn't think it was a good time to buy, folks. So there's lots of reasons not to buy. And as with everything that I say on this channel, it's not financial advice, just my observations. But there is a lot of fear out there. And so maybe it's time for a turn. Who knows, folks? Who knows? But I just want to keep it real. I want to keep it calm. And I want to encourage you to go and do your own research. And more importantly, I want to encourage you from turning off the news waves of the multiple confusing factors that will be out there to send you in the wrong direction. And as with anything in crypto, is this a good time to dollar cost average in? Absolutely. Dollar cost average is your friend, my friends. It is your friend. And is this a bargain time? Absolutely, I believe. Could it go down a little bit more? Yes, it could. Is that possible? Yes, it's possible. But is it more likely that it's going to go up? I don't know if it's more likely, folks, but I'm going to suggest that it is not long before we have an exceptional boost in crypto. But that's just my opinion, my humble opinion, my friends. This is, after all, I am the crypto lunatic. So follow your own advice, stay safe, dollar cost average in, keep it real, folks, and just remember that the big boys are buying right now.